Hello dear students, today we are going to continue the exercises, lesson number 9, superstitions, page number 33. So as I already told you that we are going to see the question answers. Question number A, we have got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions we are going to discuss. The first one, answer these questions. What are superstitions? So what are superstitions? This answer we will get at page number 31. Just look at there. Superstitions are belief that do not have any logical basis. It is a belief that has no basis in reason. It is born out of fear and ignorance. So this is what you are going to write. So when you are asked to say or describe what superstition is, you must write this answer. So the first 3 lines of page number 31 is the answer of question number A. A1. Next one. What does the word superstition literally mean? So what does the word superstition literally mean? Again, let us move on to question number page number 31, line number 4. Okay, right from the beginning you see the word literally means standing over, that is standing still over a thing in fear and awe. So this is what you will be writing for the answer number 2. Third one, which days are avoided by superstitious people for a journey in different directions? So which are the days? So all the 7 days, okay, that you can see this answer at page number 31. From the last, third paragraph you see, many people do not like to cross a path under a ladder. New clothes should be worn on Wednesday only, and journey in a particular direction should not be undertaken on certain days. So which are those days? Okay, just see. Eastward journey, Monday and Saturday. So that is to be avoided. Okay, you cannot turn towards east. And the western, westernward you can see Sundays and Friday, and southward Thursday, and northward Tuesday and Wednesday are avoided by the superstitious people. So for all these dates, the directions are also different. So on this, like the directions, it is already mentioned there, eastward only on Monday and Saturdays. Okay, you cannot turn. So you must write the days of 7 days only, Sunday to Saturday. Next one, question number 4. Which normal function of the body is considered as ill omen on certain occasions? Again, this answer we are going to get from the second last paragraph of page number 31. A sneeze, a natural function of the human body, is considered an ill omen on certain occasions by the people. What kind of people? Superstitious people. So this answer you must be writing from there only. And now we are going to see the last questions for today. How are children born with free mind influenced in the long run? So let's see this answer from page number 32. Second paragraph of page number 32. Just look at the second line. Children who are born with a free mind are also influenced in the long run when they observe their parents and neighbors believing in such superstitions. So that is what you are going to answer for the question number 5. So this way you are going to write all these answers and see if you have got any kind of doubts, and if you want to extend or you want to write a little more, you are most welcome to write. But remember one thing, related to the questions only you will be writing. Thank you so much.